To save you some time on your daily technical analysis, today isn't looking so hot. Hourly chart looks bearish. However, that's no reason to look so sad. The weekly, the monthly charts actually look quite good. Anyway, today's Tealeaf reading comes courtesy of Crypto Rand, a famous crypto analyst on Twitter, with this nice and simple chart. Under the assumption that previous resistance levels are now support, the next key levels or targeted resistance is going to be $8,500 and, if broken, $10,000. This theory about consolidating before that move upward could be correct, as Bitcoin was showing huge overbought conditions by many technical indicators. The length of time, however, that it takes to consolidate before a further move could be wrong. Remember, TA isn't exactly tea leaves with predicting the future. It's not quite that accurate. Just probabilities to help you with your entry and exit strategies. TA aside, I feel like investor confidence is sky high right now. You don't come bounding out of a brutal year-long bear market without feeling super confident. This is reflected in the charts. Ethereum has just formed the golden cross, typically considered a potential indicator of a major incoming rally. What else is doing that as well? Bitcoin Cash is just about to form its golden cross. XRP? Well, I feel like most of my audience is like this. So I don't know if there's much point in talking about it. But there are plenty of other alts which have either recently crossed it or just about to as well. We also have high hopes for institutional investment. Oh, please pump my bags. Tomorrow, though, could be a disappointment. We have yet another spanner in the works. Bracing for impact, Bitcoin price slides below 8,000 ahead of SEC's ETF decision. I, for one, think they're completely uncorrelated, but worthwhile talking about. Tomorrow, being Tuesday, May 21st, is when the Van Eck Bitcoin ETF decision will be made. It's the bigger of the three ETF proposals. A denial may give us an opportunity to buy the dip. An acceptance, my goodness, may give us a little to considerable bump in the markets. But let's be honest, the most realistic outcome is yet another delay. The final delay, the absolute final that a result can be given is October 18th, if you're curious. But that could just end up being a flat out rejection for a number of reasons, but two really big ones. Number one, manipulation. Ideally, an asset that has an ETF isn't susceptible to manipulation. Number two reason, volume. Is there enough volume so that huge institutions can put in and pull out money without crashing, tanking, affecting the markets? So quite a while to go with those two, you'll probably agree. However, there's a couple reasons why, we don't really care. It's the backed and the fidelities, alternative gateways for institutions. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I for one, project a rejection or a denial isn't actually going to affect the market too much, but it has historically in the past, so we'll see. Either way, I feel like we're on the verge of something here. But that's been it for me today. Just a quick update. I'm honestly not in a good mood. Watching Game of Thrones in the morning was just not a good way to start today, like at all. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.